Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to make a jumping game on Scratch. So let's get started. So first of all, let's get rid of this default cat sprite because we don't need it today. Click on this bin icon here to delete it. Then let's choose a backdrop. If you don't want to choose a backdrop, you can leave it. Now let's go ahead with blue sky. You can go with anyone you like. Next, choose a sprite. I'm going to get the chick. Let me drag it here. Perfect place. Or over here. Now, let's go to events. Drag when green flag clicked. Then go to motion and drag go to XY over here. Then go to events. Drag when space key pressed. Go to sound. Drag start sound chop. Next, go ahead to control. Drag repeat 10 times over here. Next, go to motion and go to change Y by 10. Next, again, go to control, drag, repeat 10 times. After you drag, repeat 10 times, go to motion again and drag change Y by 10. But don't forget to make it minus 10. Don't leave it as 10 or else it'll go higher rather than coming down back again. So, looks like we have coded the chick. Let's see if it jumps. Oh, wow. I'm pressing the space key and it's jumping and also making a chirp sound. Now, let's go ahead and add another sprite or an object so the chick can jump over it. I'm going to go with the egg. Perfect. Let's add it over here. Now, go to events, drag when green flag clicked, then go to looks, drag hide, then again go to control this time and then drag wait 1 second, then go to looks, drag show, then go to control and drag forever, just like this. Then go to motion, drag go to X and Y, drag it inside forever, then make the X position minus 40 and Y will make it minus 145. Now let's drag this block here. Below go to X and Y. Next, let's go to events and drag when green flag clicked. Go to control, then go to wait until, then go to sensing, then go to touching mouse pointer. Drag it over here inside this shape you can see over here. Click on this drop down arrow and you will see three options: mouse pointer, edge and cheek. By default, mouse pointer will be selected. We have to select the cheek. Then let's go to control and add stop all. Now here this is. But this in a way is like a problem because it might sometimes be hard to jump over the egg. So let's make the egg size 80. It's all good, but let us make it 80 so that it's easier. Like this. Sorry. So as you click on the green flag again, it just restarts. As you can see, it is good. But to make it even better, let's add score to it. Select the check. Go to variables. There, make a variable is an option, as you can see. Click on that. Write score. Perfect. Click on OK. Over here. Now, Now go ahead to now go ahead and drag set my variable to 0. Drag it here. Select score and make it 2. Next, we have to go ahead to change my variable by 1. Drag it over here below start sound chirp. Select score. And now we're done. Let's check out the game. Let's see. Whoa, it's good, isn't it? I love this game. Write in the comment section below, did you like this game or not? And if you added anything in this game, what did you add? Okay? And also, before we end this session, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And that's it for today's video. Bye!